fillets on our Traeger Grill. So I got this process started yesterday. I have these 3 beautiful fillets and I seasoned them really well with salt and put them on this sheet pan with a wire rack and left them in the refrigerator uncovered overnight. So they have a super dry outside and all of that salt that I got in there got deep down below the surface. So now I have my Traeger Grill preheating to 425 with a cast iron pan inside. What that's gonna do is we're gonna get a nice sear and a crust on the outside of our fillet. And then it's gonna cook evenly to a perfect pink all the way through our steak. So the next step is to just get it rubbed with some vegetable oil and a little extra seasoning. I've got a couple spices right here that I'm gonna sprinkle on. So now that we're going, I can put my steak on here and drizzle it with some oil. This is just vegetable oil. Definitely finish it with some butter after. And here I just have a mix, just a little seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and smoked paprika. If you want to use a steak rub that has salt in it, just put that on the day before and let your steak dry brine that overnight, because that'll work the same. So once we get these on the Traeger, we're gonna let them cook 6 to 7 minutes per side. And we're looking for an internal temperature of, I like it at 130. 125 is closer to rare. 140 is too much, in my opinion. But if you like your steaks well done, then that's what you're looking for, is 140. 130, so 130 is what we're gonna cook to today. And we are gonna do that with the front of our little meat thermometer here. So I'm gonna put this in the dead center of this steak right here. Okay. And then as soon as my Traeger is up to 425, I can get these in there on the cast iron and you can see how the cook goes. Alright, we're at 425. My cast iron pan has been preheating in there the whole time, so now I can get these steaks on there. Okay, so I just pulled my steak off of the Traeger. I've got it here resting on a cutting board and covered with foil. It's gonna hang out like this for about 5 minutes before I slice into it. That's it. Just a few minutes on each side inside the cast iron, and that's what gets us this beautiful crust on the outside. It's so perfect. It's so good. I'm gonna eat this. So I gotta go. If you have any questions, please comment down below and let me know so I can help you, because I love this steak. I love cooking it on the Traeger, and I want you to be able to do that too. See you guys next time.